Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Leatherman free K4X EDC pocket knife and multi-tool. Just came in today, and we're going to use the SE Zancudo to open it. I still have to review this knife, by the way. Okay, let's crack her open. You got your title card there, and on the back your instruction manual. Look at that. All right, and the free K4X by Leatherman. Now, on a typical multi-tool, we'll just pull one out here. This is the Leatherman Rev. I just want to show you the difference there, the size difference between the Rev and the K4X. Okay, so it is slightly bigger. It almost weighs about the same. Actually, you know what? The Rev might be heavier. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, on a typical multi-tool, the Leatherman Rev, your main feature are the pliers. And your secondary feature is usually, your little tools that come with it. In this case, the knife. All right? Where in the K4X, the main tool is the blade. Let's have a look at that. Let's wipe that down. So your main tool is the blade. It's a combo blade. You got some serrations happening there. Pretty aggressive serrations, by the way. Okay, we'll just give you a look at the knife. There's all the tools. And the tools are on the top. So right behind the spine. Okay, now to close the blade, there is no liner lock. It's the main feature of the Free series is the magnetic lock system. Okay, so there it is right here. There's the button release right there. Then there's another one for the tools at the back. Okay, so to release this blade, you must press back on the button, and then you can close it. So you can one hand open this, a slow roll. Okay, and then to close it, you just got to make sure you press back on this magnetic release lock there. So that's their main feature when it comes to the Free series. So let's take a look at the tools real quick. Now to open the tools, you just press down like that, and boom, they all pop out. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at these. Now these all lock once they're in the fully open position. We're not going to do that right now. So your first tool is your scissors, aka the package opener. So the handle just locks in. Boom. Okay, so that's your first tool. Your second tool is your bottle opener and Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so that's 3 tools. Next up, you have your awl and your miniature flathead. So that's 5. And then you have your large flathead, and this is the Pry Tool. Okay, it's a lot thicker than the other ones. So that's 7. And then your blade is 8. So you got 8 tools in one multi-tool here, with the blade being the main feature. There you go, folks. Your Leatherman free K4X. Now, the price varies on where you get this. I've seen it on Knife Center for, I think, $80, on Amazon for $120. So anywhere between, and I mean, it could be on other sites. Those are the only two I checked. So between like $70 to $120 you'll be paying for this beauty. Let's go over some specs real quick. This is a 420HC blade. The handles are made out of aluminum, so that's what makes it a little bit lighter. The closed length is 4.5 inches. Okay. And your blade length is 3.3 inches. I said the handle material is made out of aluminum, and the weight of this beautiful free K4X multi-tool is 4.9 ounces, which is really good for this size multi-tool. Like, you would expect it to be way heavier than this for its size. Like, I got large hands, okay? It's a beautiful multi-tool. I can't wait to carry this around. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and stay tuned for more Multi-EDC. And by the way, if there's anything else you want to know about this, and I didn't mention it, oh, by the way, this is a removable pocket clip. And I didn't mention it, just comment below, and I'll see if I can answer any of the questions that you have. Or if you want me to show videos of me testing this out, let me know below. Okay, guys, stay classy, eh?